Hi there, welcome to the Happiest, Most Magical channel. If you've been here before, hello, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Lynn. And I do a lot of Disney, travel, home, and lifestyle type vlogs. So if those are things that you're into, I highly encourage you to smash on that subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on anything. So welcome to our travel day vlog. Today is Wednesday, June 23, and tonight we are flying from Anchorage, Alaska to Los Angeles. Our plane departs here in Anchorage at 11:50 p.m. Our flight is just about 5 hours long, and I'm so grateful that it is a direct flight. We don't have any layovers, and hopefully I can sleep the entire plane ride there. My husband's home. Hi baby, how was work? So let me show you my suitcase so you can see what I'm packing here. So I actually had my phone on top of Sean's luggage so I could film myself. But here is my luggage. I have 4 outfits in here. I've got 4 bottoms, I've got a sleep set, I've got 4 tops, I've got 3 bras, I think 4 or 5 socks, 5 undies, and then here's my toiletries bag. And then on the other side of my luggage is where I have flip-flops to wear inside of our hotel room. And then I also have shoes in there. And is there anything else? Oh, I have energy shots and a lightweight sweater in here. Right now it's about 5 p.m. and we decided that we're gonna watch Loki before we get ready to head to the airport. So we'll check back with you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, we are all freshened up and ready to go to the airport. So my sister's gonna drive us now, so we'll see you guys there. All right, bye Lucy, we'll miss you. Be a good girl, okay? We'll see you in a couple of nights. Busiest I've seen it in a while. Alright, so we tried to go into the lounge, but they have like reduced capacity right now. So between 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. you can't go in there more than 2 hours earlier than your flight. Right now we're just walking around, killing some time. Let me show you what it looks like outside right now. So random fact of the day, Anchorage is the 5th busiest cargo airport in the world. We're all the way by gate C8 right now and there's like nobody around here, so nice and quiet. I think we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. I feel like this is the lightest we've ever packed for a trip. So here are our away bags. We have the expandable away carry-on size. And then I have my Dagny Dover bag, and then I think Sean's backpack is from eBags. There's my mom right there driving in that car. All right, so it is just past 8 p.m. and now we're gonna go try to go back into the lounge. All right, so we're in the lounge now and I've grabbed some snacks, so let me show you what I got. I have this wrap here, and then I have this coconut lentil soup. I've got some cheese and reindeer sausage, pretzels, and a cup of water. Cheers. Alright, so here is our breakfast. I got the char burger, Sean got the Southwest burger, and then we also got a side of tots. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to the City of Dreams, aka Los Angeles. We just picked up our car rental and we were super surprised because we always rent our car from Enterprise, but apparently they moved to a new building and they have like a larger parking lot and the building's really nice. We are gonna go drive to Target so we could pick up some essentials like bottled waters, travel stuff like deodorant, and maybe some snacks. So we will see you guys at Target. All right, so we're at Target and we're picking up some water bottles. I'm excited to try this pina colada flavor. I hope it's good and I hope that they have it back home soon. How cute is this little cup? All right, so we just got done shopping at Target. We picked up some bottled waters, protein, Gatorade, energy drinks, deodorant, and now we're gonna go try to check into our hotel. It's only about 9 a.m., but hopefully they'll have a room ready for us. We're driving down Harbor and we already see a glimpse of Disney. There's the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, and we can also see a mass exodus of people heading down to try to get through the Disneyland entrance. There's the Candy Cane Inn. We've stayed there before. It's a really cute hotel. They're not open right now. I think they're doing some renovating. This is what it looks like at 9 a.m. Lots of people walking on the sidewalks to get into the happiest place on earth. Here's our hotel. This is the Courtyard. All right, so we're checking into the Courtyard and Jeff here has been so helpful. So when you book your stay here at the Courtyard, please come see Jeff. All right, so here is our room. We are on the 3rd floor and we are in room 346, which is an accessible room. So let me show you around. All right, so let me give you a tour of an accessible room here at the Courtyard. We've got this nice large sink area, and then this is where the shower is. And then here is the main living area. So we have 2 queen beds. I love that there's a seating area over there. And then here's the bunk bed and this nice long table with lots of cabinets. Here is where our coffee machine is, and our fridge and microwave. Let me show you our view. So here is a view of the water park. I really wish that we brought swimwear because the water park looks really cute and like a lot of fun, but I think we're gonna be really busy at the parks on this trip. So we originally booked a theme park view with a king size bed, but the rooms weren't going to be ready until closer to our regular check-in time, which is 4 p.m. But Jeff had offered us to check into an accessible room with 2 queen size bed and a view of the water park area. And if you'd like to see what a regular standard room looks like with a king size bed and the couch, I will link that vlog down below, that way you could check it out later. So after we were done unpacking, I took a shower and then I took a nap and I feel amazing. I actually took a nap in the bunk bed here. So if you were wondering if it's comfortable or not, the answer is yes, it's comfortable. I know everyone's comfort level is, or definition of comfortable is different. This bed is a little bit more on the firmer side, but it is supportive and I slept really well. So it is about noon. I gotta get ready. We're going to head over to In-N-Out for some burgers and shakes. So I will see you guys there. Oh my God, you guys, we do have a theme park view. If you look right over there, you can see the iconic Matterhorn. And I noticed that there's nobody inside the pool. And then Sean pointed out that they're actually closed between 11:30 and 12:30. This is what the little water park looks like. It's called Surfside Water Park, and it looks like so much fun, and I really wish that we brought some swimsuits with us. Oh my god, we just got done eating at In-N-Out. Right when we opened our doors, we smelled the air, and it smells exactly how we remembered it the last time we were here, which was back in March of last year. I ordered a number 2. I always get a number 2 with fries that are animal style, and then Sean got...
I got 2 double doubles and animal style fries.
I'm very happy that we were able to come here, and now we're gonna head back to the hotel. That way we could park our car, and then we're gonna walk over to downtown Disney.
Where are we going, dear?
We are on our way to downtown Disney. It is like a toasty 82 degrees right now, but there is a breeze, so it's not super duper hot for us Alaskans. Oh my god, we're back home. I'm so happy, honey. Thank you for taking us here.
Of course. Where to first?
I don't even know what to do. Like, I feel paralyzed. Like, I just want to stand here and soak in the music that's playing in the background. I think we're gonna head to downtown Disney, do some browsing, because our reservation isn't until 3:45. So we'll see you guys at downtown Disney. There's Disneyland. Tomorrow we get to walk through those gates and enjoy the park, and then on Saturday we are going to head over to Disney California Adventure, which is right behind me, and I cannot wait. The AC feels so good in here. Oh, look at this. Total 90s vibe. Guys, I don't need this, but I really want it. Do you guys love Luxo balls? They've got a big plush one, which Sean and I already have. We've also got these balls here, and then this keychain thing. I think Sean wants it now. Guys, check out these keychains. How adorable. We've got the kitchen sink, Dole Whip, popcorn, more treats down there. So this used to be where Rainforest Cafe was, and now it's like a Star Wars trading post. We're gonna see if we can try to go inside. Is that DJ Rex? Oh my gosh. I feel like Sean wants that.
Interactive remote control pro with Bluetooth speaker.
Oh, so you can have a party. So much cute merchandise around here. So we're here dining at Splitsville for the first time, and we have our names on the wait list so that we can get a lane. But until we get a lane, we're gonna eat our like afternoon snack. So I got the fantasy roll, and Sean got the crouching tiger roll. Crouching dragon roll. All right, so we have our lane and we've got our shoes on. And we have 1 hour to bowl. So they said that we could do as many games as we can fit in 1 hour. So let's see how we do. Oh, okay. Oh, hey baby.
Coming back to me.
Oh my god, how fun. Check this out. Mickey. All right, so we are at the end of our 1 hour mark, and Sean won 3 times, right?
Just by a little.
Just by a little. He's so modest. So we were able to play a total of 4 games in 1 hour. Sean won 3 times, I won 1 time, but I did get better and better with each game that we played, so I'm at least proud about that. But I had so much fun, and I can't wait to do this again in the future. Did you have fun, honey?
I had a great time. Thanks for taking me.
So also, before we leave here, the sushi is really delicious. So I really enjoyed my sushi, and if we didn't have dinner reservations later, we probably would have ate more food here because the menu looked yummy. So thank you, Splitsville, for a fun time. All right, so here is our dinner from GCH Grill, and I got the salmon salad, chicken skewers, and then Sean got the cowboy dog. And oh my god, there's like a hidden Mickey. Alright you guys, so we just got back to our room. It's just past 9 p.m. so we're gonna shower and then probably hit the bed because we're tired and we're gonna have an early morning tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for following along today's long travel adventure. And again, tomorrow we'll be at Disneyland. So our next vlog will be at the happiest place on earth. Have a good night. All right, bye Lucy. We'll miss you. Be a good girl, okay? We'll see you in a couple of nights. She doesn't even care that we're leaving. Thank you for driving us, Jen.
Oh, you're welcome.
Drive away, sis. Alright, so we just got done shopping at Target. We picked up some water bottles, power weight. I messed up again. Okay. Look at Sean not relying on the Garmin this trip. Wow, it's like we're back home. Okay, I will clean those last pins up with this one. Roll in, roll down. Okay, I was just joking. So fun fact, I am obsessed with tropical Mickey and Minnie, and I've actually been eyeing this sweater for a long time since they've had it on Shop Disney, so I'm thinking about getting it.